Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week's video is actually going to be a little mini Coach haul. I recently went back home, and home for me is actually Tuscaloosa, Alabama. For those of you that do not know, I am currently residing in Huntsville, Alabama. Huntsville to Tuscaloosa is about a 2-hour drive. So I thought, while I was home for the weekend in Tuscaloosa, why not just run up to our nearest outlet shopping center? And our nearest outlet shopping center is like in Birmingham, or it's not really in Birmingham, but it's like a town in Birmingham, or at least I think Leeds, Alabama is a town within Birmingham. But anyways, you guys, my point is I have a miniature Coach haul that I do want to show you, 2 items that I purchased, and I think you will be in for a little treat. But of course, you already know I could never officially start another video without just taking the time to thank everyone. Thank you a million times. Thank you, the likes, the comments, you coming back for more. It is greatly just appreciated. So thank you, thank you, thank you. But other than that though, let's just go ahead and dive into this week's video of Sable's Miniature Coach Haul. Okay, so starting off strong, the first item that I purchased was this beautiful Coach Denim Wallet. By now, I'm sure you have seen countless videos just featuring all of the various pieces the Coach outlet offered in this denim collection. The denim collection was chef's kiss, 10 out of a 10. It was just immaculate. Like Coach really outdid themselves. And I remember originally, like when I was in the process of purchasing my Coach Laurel denim shoulder bag in the background right here, I really did want to add a wallet. But then I was just like, well, if I had to choose amongst the two, I would really want the Laurel shoulder bag. And I'm so happy that I went with the Laurel shoulder bag. I love the Laurel shoulder bag. It is just everything and so much more. But yes, you guys, I am so happy that I was able to get my hands on the wallet. I do believe they have definitely restocked the wallet on the Coach outlet site, but I was just so happy that I was actually able to see it in person, because I will say most of my purchases with Coach, that being Coach outlet, Coach retail, I've pretty much always shopped for the most part online. So it's like I'm doing blind buys. And what I mean by a blind buy is just pretty much going off of what you see like on the website, hoping and keeping fingers crossed that it looks the exact same way when you get it like in person. And I will say Coach definitely gets it right. I can say what you see on Coach's websites, whether that's the outlet or the retail sites, you are going to get exactly like that in person, if not even better. So yes, just quickly showing you the beautiful Coach denim wallet. I mean, the design is everything. The glazing, magnificent. And I typically don't usually carry like wallets like this. I mean, of course, you can see clearly in the background, I have a few right here. And I typically like to rotate between like my card holders. Like I have this red card holder that I've showed plenty of times before. And then I also have this Coach one that I showed. I actually did a video last week where I featured like my entire wallet collection. I really don't have a lot of wallets, you guys. And I did also mention about how I wanted to add more wallets. So I said, why not? Why not treat myself like I don't already treat myself? But why not add another wallet? Because I have plenty of like handbags, as you can see, like in the background. So yes, I am so happy that I went with this. And I mean, it's just like your typical wallet. Just briefly show you my driver's license, debit card, and then we've got like opening right here for cash. I don't typically carry cash for real. Like I don't. I typically am always going for the debit card, and I know I need to get into the habit of carrying cash. And then you got your zipper on the back, and I've got like a few coins, but this wallet is everything and so much more. And then, oh yeah, like the pockets, like right there, that is just stunning, like that pocket right there. But I am thoroughly impressed with this wallet. And I do believe I paid $79 for it. I know some people would probably think that is pretty pricey, but you know, you have to take into consideration the quality of this wallet. I mean, the quality, the craftsmanship, it is every bit of worth being $79. Truthfully, I look at a design like this being more than $79. This is really, really, really affordable, in my opinion, but I love this wallet. And then the last item that I purchased, you guys, was the Coach Nolita 19 bag. First off, if anybody has been watching my channel for quite some time, you should know that Sable lately has been having an obsession with the color red. I don't know what it is, but I love the red leather. That red, supple, pebbled leather. I mean, it just wears so beautifully, like over time. And I will say I actually got this on sale. I think it was originally priced like 158. Then it was on clearance and apparently it was marked down to 70%. And I ended up getting it for like $54. Yes, $54 for this stunning Nolita 19 bag. Now, I will say, I don't carry this as a handbag. I am actually carrying it right now as we speak. And I'm also carrying my denim wallet as well. But the Nolita 19, I am carrying it, but I'm carrying it as a carry-all bag, or some people call it like a catch-all bag. And typically what I have in here is like daily essentials, you know, that I would use. I've got like my charger piece in here. I have lotion. I have wireless earbuds. I also have a lip gloss, a little Bath and Body Works perfume spray. I have like fingernail file and clippers, Tylenol, because you just never know, you guys. You might have a headache or something. And then I also have like a little miniature pair. So yeah, I have like toenail clippers and um, nail clippers. Not that anybody cares, but I just like to have them both. And then also too, I have like an Alka-Seltzer because you just never know. You just never know. You may have heartburn, indigestion, what have you. But yeah, you guys, that's what I typically carry in here as my carry-all bag. To me, it's just a little bit too small for me to carry it as a shoulder bag. I mean, I could, but it would be like all up in my armpit. And I'm just like, yeah, like I don't like that at all. But yes, I love this bag. And comparing it, because I'm currently carrying my Coach Laurel shoulder bag and the one and only pebbled red leather. I mean, get into it, you guys. This is what I mean by the red pebbled leather. Now, I have had this bag since November of last year. I purchased it during the week of Black Friday. I know someone commented in one of my videos and said the Coach has it on sale, and yes, they do. At the outlet, it's like $128, and I paid regular price. So go ahead and snatch it up before it's out of stock. With this and this, now clearly you can see that the shades are two different reds, but it does not matter to me. I mean, doing a comparison like of the two, they are both beautiful. But yes, you guys, I've literally been carrying this inside of the bag. And let me show you. And then also too, with the chain strap right here, what I typically do, I just, you know, put this end over here on this end, and it can be made into a wristlet. Now, I do like it as a wristlet. Will I ever wear it as a wristlet? Probably not. Probably not. But yeah, you guys. So I have it in my bag along with my denim wallet. And yeah, I know, you know, the denim really doesn't go with the red. But hey, I mean, you can make it go with the red. It's like I said, fashion is whatever you want it to be. But yeah, you guys, look at how it just fits. It literally fits in there. The Nolita 19 inside of the Coach Laurel shoulder bag. Here it is, right here. But yeah, you guys, I absolutely love the Nolita 19. And I do quickly just want to show you. Let me hurry up and put like all of these items back in the bag. So bear with me for just a few minutes, you guys. I'm just over here to the side putting all of my items back in the bag. So what I would like to show you is how all of these items, all is in my Nolita 19 bag and then also my Denim Wallet bag, can fit in this beautiful Coach long Rowan satchel. I mean, I know obviously the video is supposed to be about these two pieces because they were the two things that I did purchase from the outlet store inside from visiting, but I have a crazy obsession with this bag. Even though I am currently carrying my Laurel shoulder bag, I love this bag. So I just basically want to show you everything that's inside of the Laurel that I'm currently carrying, how it can fit inside of here. So we do have the strap, of course, because I did actually show this bag. Wow, I just realized, you guys, I think I said that I did a video last week on my wallet collection, but I stand corrected. The video I did last week was actually featuring my Coach long Rowan satchel. I love this bag, but I just quickly want to show you how all of this can fit in here. So like I said, this bag is super, super spacious. So we've got the Nolita 19, we've got our Coach denim wallet, and then the next things I'm going to add are just these few things right here. We have gum and a hand sanitizer. You already know Sable's going to always have the gum on deck, like always. We also have mints. Like I mentioned before in several videos back, you will never catch Sable with funky breath, like never. I have options. Options meaning I have gum, I have mints. So we've got mints. We have my keys. We also have another lip gloss and an ink pen. I just like to carry my own ink pen. You just never know when you may need to sign something. And I just like to have my own stuff. So yeah, you guys, that's literally everything that I had in the Laurel. And I transferred it over to the long Rowan satchel. And oh, let me just throw in like this miniature hairbrush too. I mean, everything fits so beautifully. Now, I will say I am currently recording on my phone. And for phone reference size, I do have the iPhone Pro Max 15, and it fits beautifully inside. I wish I could stop recording and show you, but it literally can fit like back here. Whoops. Well, not in the pocket, but literally back here behind the Nolita 19. Yeah. But you guys, once again, so much of space in this bag. Go ahead and grab you one. I see why the girls love the long Rowan satchel and just the Rowan in general. It is the perfect everyday bag. Like I said, hands down, my favorite everyday bag will always be the Laurel. It will. But second place is the Rowan. And then again, guys, I don't know. I mean, they both honestly could tie with each other. I love them dearly. But yeah, you guys, so that is it for this week's video. I will, of course, have both of these items listed and linked below. Now, if I am correct, I know for certain Coach Outlet's website, they do have the denim wallet still in stock. But unfortunately, I do believe the Nolita 19, at least in the red color, it's no longer in stock. But I know Coach definitely has the Nolita. Like I said, I like to use bags like these as carry-all bags. So a bag within a bag. I'm just a stickler for just having everything in one pouch. And then, oh, I want to quickly mention too, also from the Nolita family, this was another one that I was able to buy in person, the Nolita barrel bag. So, whoops. So I like both of these. I mean, granted, I did make this one into a wristlet. You can do the exact same thing with the Nolita barrel bag too as well. So it's like a wristlet. It kind of almost reminds me of like a pencil pouch, from back in the day. But I love these bags. And one thing that I like about the Nolita family line is the bags can appear to be so small. But do not let the size fool you, because when you get the bag and then you just start putting stuff in the bags, you will be so shocked as to how much stuff can go in these bags. So that is why, well, I should say that's just one of the many reasons why I love Coach Outlet. But yeah, you guys. So I definitely got off topic. I went from, talking about my little mini haul of me purchasing the Coach Nolita 19 and the Denim Wallet to showing you the current bag that I was carrying, which was my red Coach Laurel bag, and then showing you everything inside of the Laurel bag that can fit in the long Rowan satchel. But I did feature my two purchases, which featured the 19 19, and the Denim Wallet that can fit inside of the long Rowan satchel. But okay, you guys. Okay. I am officially going to wrap up this week's video. If you like this video, definitely comment. Tell me what's your favorite Coach purchase. I mean, that can be anything related to Coach. Coach Outlet, Coach Retail. I love it all. Now, I will say this, debate me all you want. I am starting to become more gravitated to Coach Outlet than Coach Retail. And I know. People are definitely going to have something to say about that. But please weigh in the comments. I am definitely becoming more gravitated to Coach Outlet. I love Coach Retail. I do. I actually even want the Coach Quilted Tabby 33 for my birthday. And I plan to get it too for my birthday. So stick around and hopefully we'll be doing a video about that within a couple of months of me getting that bag. But yeah, you guys, I love some Coach Outlet. I love it. And it's March. So we still have 9 more months left in the year. And who knows what else Coach Outlet is going to release. We're not even near summer yet. We're not even near spring yet. Spring, of course, is definitely knocking at the door. So, I mean, if Coach came out 2025 like this, then I can just only imagine what's in store for these remaining 9 months. But anyways, you guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.